Hi everyone, my name is Yi Shiean. I'm a solutions consultant from Braze. Join me today in debunking customer engagement myths. Myth number 1. Brands shouldn't collect personal information from customers at all to avoid data privacy infringement. For this is not entirely true. Generally, customers expect frictionless and personalized experiences with brands across both online and offline channels. And to have those personalized experiences delivered to them, they are actually okay with having some of their personal information to be collected. 3 main information mostly. So first is demographic or personal information. The demographics can include information such as their birthday, which are great for birthday promotions or birthday newsletters. The location, so depending on where they are, different kinds of personalized experiences can be delivered or notified to them based on that. The second would be preferences. This really depends on the brands. If it's an F&B brand, then customers would have preferences over Western cuisine or Japanese cuisine, and based on that preferences, different types of content is actually targeted to those people. Lastly, that would be on the behavior, customer behaviors, the actions that they perform on your website or on your mobile app, those data that actually can be captured, and based on different types of actions, it could be also used to trigger different types of experiences on the online or offline channels, as well as different type of personalized content based on those actions that they perform. Myth number 2, the most efficient way to get customer data is to buy it. As we move towards a more cookieless world these days, it becomes more prevalent than for brands to actually obtain first-party and zero-party data directly from their customers. And this helps them to continue to stay relevant and to be able to better personalize these experiences for these customers, as opposed to solely relying on purchasing third-party customer data. So brands can obtain first-party and zero-party data directly through their customers at the point of them actually interacting with the brand through their online channels, such as their website or their mobile app. Myth number 3, you should keep as much data on your customers for as long as possible. Today's world moves really fast. Now, with more out-of-date and still information, those data become irrelevant when it comes to personalizing in-the-moment experiences or personalized experiences for your customers. As an example, no customer would like to receive an expired voucher code or promotion that is no longer relevant after they have actually already bought an item. So data becomes less valuable as time passes, and the sooner brands are able to listen, understand, and act immediately on the customer information that they collect, the more valuable this customer data becomes to them. To get the most out of the customer data that you have collected, it is very important for brands to ensure that their marketing stack can easily pass data between the various different systems within the stack. So this would ensure that brands are able to have a holistic view of their customers, which then helps them to deepen the analysis of their customer behavior, how they actually perform an action on their online channels, such as their website or on their app. Myth number 4, batch importing is better than stream processing for customer data marketing. So with traditional marketing technologies, they are very much reliant on using batch importing or batch processing of data. The issue with this is it causes a lot of data latency, which means a lot of this information are already outdated by the time they actually leverage this data to send messages to customers. With stream processing, customer data are available as soon as they are collected, and this actually enables brand to create all of this in-the-moment, real-time experiences for their customers without any delay. So for example, as soon as a customer actually abandons a cart, we would like to be able to trigger a reminder. It could be as down to the seconds or the minutes in order to maximize the conversion at that point in time, at the point of the first trigger. Thank you for joining me in debunking customer engagement myths. We hope to see you again.